How to fix Picsart network error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Picsart network error on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here type Picsart. And first thing you need to do here is to click data usage and then scroll down and click mobile data. Make sure it's enabled, and after that go to storage, clear cache, and force stop it. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go to Play Store here and then just click this one, type here Picsart and check if there is any updates, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.